guys, we're going to read another penguin story. We read about Tacky the penguin yesterday. Today we're going to read Penguins to the Rescue. Playful little penguins coming out today, looking for their furry friends. Here they are, hooray! Lots of lively penguins skimming through the snow, slipping on the shiny ice, squeaking as they go. Playful little penguins in the wintry weather. That's how penguins like to move, waddling round together. Playful little penguins make a shiny slide. Whee! Shout the penguins. What a silly ride. Playful little penguins in the wintry weather. That's how penguins like to sled, sliding down together. Playful little penguins as they jump around, make a chirpy, squeaky noise. What a funny sound. Playful little penguins are hungry for their lunch. Off they go to look for it in a busy bunch. Playful little penguins in the wintry weather. That's how penguins look for lunch, leaping out together. Eager little penguins jumping in the sea. Yay! Shout the penguins. That's the place to be. They swirl around, they whirl around, splashy, splooshy, splish. They curl around, they twirl around, catching tasty fish. Playful little penguins in the wintry weather. That's how penguins like to eat, swimming round together. But what's this on the ice floe? A little ball of fur, a crying baby seal pup. So what's wrong with her? Poor little pup, what could be so bad? You look really frightened. Why are you so sad? My mama saw some fish swim by and dove into the sea. The ice floe we were resting on went drifting off with me. Don't worry, baby seal pup, we're sure she's on her way. But why not, while you're waiting, watch us as we play? All the friendly penguins try to cheer her up. Soon she seems happy, a smiling little pup. The penguins do a silly dance, how they jump and wiggle. Now the little seal pup begins to grin and giggle. Playful little penguins in the wintry weather. That's how penguins have their fun, jumping round together. But what's that in the water? Help, it's coming near. It's speedy and it's shadowy. It fills them all with fear. It's heading straight toward them. It jumps up on the floe. Look, it's Seal Pup's mother. See, we told you so. Seal Pup calls to Mama with a squeaky little yelp. Then Mama thanks the penguins for their kindness and their help. Mama Seal takes Seal Pup. They slowly swim away. Then the penguins realize it's time to end their day. Playful little penguins, how sleepily they go, waddling and yawning through the ice and snow. Home they go together back to Mom and Dad. They tell them all the things they've done and all the fun they've had. Sleepy little penguins in a happy huddle. That's how penguins like to rest, in a cozy cuddle. The end. I hope you enjoyed that story, and I look forward to getting to read you some stories in person next week.